Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, A Letter from a Friend. Fun 5B Jawahar Nagar, Kota, 27th October 2015. Dear Mohini, hope this letter finds you in the best of spirit. Anjali visited me last week. I went around with her to all the historical places in Hadodi region. So I was reminded of your promise to pay a visit to Kota after the examination. I am writing this letter to share with you the thrill that we had while visiting all the places in and around Kota. Here are some facts about Katodi region. Katodi is comprises of four districts of Rajasthan, namely Baran, Bundi, Jalawar and Kota. It is said that Hadirani, a legendary character, was married to Chundawat, chieftain of Sulmur. The chieftain loved her so much that he felt reluctant to go to the battlefield. The Hadirani persuaded him to comply with his duty towards his motherland, but for her love he would not agree. Somehow he agreed. Before leaving the house, he sent a man to give to his beloved to give him a memento. Out of sheer disgust, the Rani Hadi cut her head off the neck and sent it to him. Such great was her love for the motherland. Mohini, if you are interested in wildlife and bird watching, then you are really have fun there. Hatodi is blessed with water, flora and fauna. There is Dara Sanctuary, National Chambal Gharial Sanctuary, and Sherga Sanctuary. It is also recognized as a paradise for migratory birds for the China and Europe. There are Mathurdish Temple, Padmanam Sun Temple, Adinath Jain Temple, Buddhist monasteries, and many temples from 9th to 11th centuries having fine carving and depicting various mythological characters and stories. Not only are the city's fort, palaces, gardens, and temples spectacular, each prove a rewarding experience in itself, but also they keep you absorbed for long hours as stretch. The Gagran Fort, the Shergat Fort, the Guard Place of Kota and Bundi are a magnificent place of Hatodi. It is a treasure of art and sculptures. The Chitrashala with its superb painting decorated the palace wall. Hattori is a popular name for fairs too. The Saharis tribal fair of Sitabari in Baran district keeps a good position in the state. It is held in summer season. The place had a number of kunds where taking a holy dip in auspicious. The tribal bedak with jewelries and a trade is colorful dress folk in their fair. It's a real picture of tribal lifestyle. We have the biggest fair of Rajasthan held during the Shera in Kota, a representation of culture and tradition. The industrial fair of Kota provides opportunity to the development and industrial growth of Rajasthan. I will send you the photo which will give you a real view of scenario. Your actual visit will not only give you pleasure but also enrich your knowledge about this area. Looking forward to visit your true friend Malini. Thank you.